Hi, my name is Baris Ozaydinli. I'm the founder and CEO of FitWell. FitWell is a mobile coaching app that simplifies being fit and healthy by offering the experience of a personal trainer, a nutritionist, and a life coach all together. So the goal of the lean process was to create a minimum viable product and a prototype. By minimum viable product, I mean the core product with the key features that we can quickly roll out without the fancy stuff or bells and whistles that will give us core input from the early adopters so that we can start learning from it. First step of the process was to gather a good team from multidisciplinary areas. First, a designer, a UX expert, a lean advisor, a project manager, and a product manager all together. The reason of gathering a multidisciplinary team is simply because you need different kind of opinions into this process, and you need to be able to create a result from this process. So you need different expertise areas in your team. We started with the core idea of creating a mobile coach. And as a team, we discussed each and every aspect of creating a product, starting from the core pain point, the customer, the marketplace, and the key features that would make the product. After a while, we came up with several hypotheses about the marketplace, the product, the need out there, and our customer. One of the most important things about the lean process is to know about your customer. You have to really define who you are working for, who you are trying to solve the problem for. We call this the core persona. So together with the team, we defined our core persona. Actually, everybody had different ideas of the core persona, so we voted which one would make the most sense. After we came up with the core persona idea, we said let's test our ideas and test our hypothesis in the marketplace. So we booked some interviews with real people and went to the field. Then we went back to the war room. People had a lot of experience with real people and a lot of insights. So we put them all in the funnel. We started the live discussion again, and we came up with the MVP with real features that would appeal to people. After defining the MVP and the key features, we created a prototype. It was a non-functional, but a visual one. We used the prototype in real business scenarios as well, securing an investment as well as securing a business deal with an important partner. After having the MVP and prototype, developing the product was pretty straightforward. In 6 months, we released the product in Turkey as a beta market. It took us 5 days to become the #1 health and fitness app in Turkey. And we are using the lean methodologies still. And we now have 400,000 members in 6 months.